Well, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes when there's no truck washes around. So, you know, there's not a lot of truck washes and truck stops here in this part of Texas. So. By hand. Now, obviously, we'd stop at a Blue Beacon if there was one around. But when we left Florida, we got to Biloxi, Mississippi, we were good. But once we left Biloxi, we hit rain the whole way here to Texas. So no truck stops around, no truck washes around. We got dirty, and we're proud employees, so we want to make sure it looks good when we get the Cotton Bowl, which I'm confident we're going to race the Cotton Bowl Friday. She's in charge of the wheels, so. So this is for all those people that think it's all funny games out here. We actually do work. It's not crafted beer and rainbows all the time.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
Looks like I need a new brush soon. Doesn't help that I'm 5'7", give or take an inch.
How are you 5'7" and I'm 5'4"? We get taller.
Well, I might be 5'6" now. I don't know. You know how it is when you get old, you shrink. Oops, sorry.
You got her wet, Wes.
Woo, it's cruddy. Remember that time at Stockton, California, Brittany? I won't score it.
I don't care.
Oh shit, you got a problem here, Houston. There we go. Yelling at us.
We've got a truck coming through.
Brittany, you missed the eyeballs. Right there in that eyeball. See ya.
This mascara's running. It's like Texas law. We're gonna take care of our sponsors, and it's our attitude, our presence. You know what I mean? Like, we're professional. You gotta look professional.
Well, you're OCD, so that really helps too. You're a perfectionist.
Helps a little bit. She might be a little worse than me though, but yeah, we are. Like right now, we're finding some spots in this, but you know, dirty water, it happens. I really like Texas, but it's been rainy and cold again, just like kind of like last year. I really feel bad for these people. So, you know, obviously we're crossing your fingers and we get these races, and I'm sure we all want to. The drivers want to race, we want to put on a show. So hopefully Mother Nature will change her mind a little bit. I mean, it's looking good for Friday right now, so we're happy about that. That's, you know, that's why we're getting this done. You know, we're prepared to pull in. So we are going to Las Vegas, baby.
And what do you and Brittany like to do while you guys are on the road?
Well, we like to spend a little of our ching, you know, and see if we can't double the pot. But there's a lot of things to do in Vegas outside of the casinos too, which is really nice. So we're planning on, you know, maybe hitting some things we didn't hit last year, and hopefully, you know,
Hoover Dam would be cool.
Hoover Dam would be way cool because I didn't go to it last year. Maybe that'll be on the bucket list. So that's the plan anyway. Oh, we'll definitely hit some casinos too.
Just that strapping young man in the back there that you guys always like to travel with on the road.
Well, that's Dougie right there. You know, Dougie's been doing this for a long time, pulling Donnie Schatz's merchandise trailer around for Diane and Danny, and we're praying for Danny too. We wish Danny was out here on the road with us. We really miss him not being out here, so all our best wishes to Danny right now and gets through his time. How's that? Good? It wasn't that bad.